Hey everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel, and in this video I'm about to show you guys how you can use the Monopoly Go glitch on your Android device. So here, here you can see that I'm already on Monopoly Go app. So just make sure that you're already logged in from your account and then just simply hit on airplane mode. This what do is that now if you press on go, this will be saved in your database, but it will be not. It's a bit complicated, but what happens is that it is being stored on your database in your account. But once you open up your Wi-Fi again, it would realize that the data was off, so the glitch won't work. Now what you need to do is once you have used up all your moves before the no internet connection option pops over, just simply hit to app info and then on just hit towards storage and cache and clear cache. If you're on Android, make sure that you uninstall the app and you have to reinstall the app. It's a bit gruesome with the Android devices. And yes, that's it. That's the Monopoly airplane mode glitch for you guys. If this video is helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful content like this. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.